Good afternoon. My name is Clara Sofia Floriano. I will present you a travel itinerary Caño Cristales, La Macarena Meta. If you want to enjoy a natural wonder and the tranquility of natural Caño Cristales is one of your best options location in Macarena Meta. Caño Cristales is considered the most beautiful river in the world and nicknamed the River of Five Colors. Should not miss the opportunity to give to come this magic place. The child will love for days. Day one, you will take a boat that will take you along the Guayabero River for 20 minutes to Puerto Cristalitos. The wind will walk approximately 30 minutes until we reach Caño Cristales to enjoy a small river of crystal clear water with natural pools. The day two we were taking a boat for approximately 25 minutes and visited places shows as Los Hoyos, la Piscina del Turista, Los Peinos, among others. Day trip will we take you the boat again with the same route as the day before. Of this team, the part I white us, which will take us to say Pilots where the Macarenas have a green color. The you will want to set and photograph. Therefore, we will take a land transport to the Caño Piedra River where you can enjoy its beautiful landscape. In Stuyvesant Caño Cristales, this is pleasant to the differentiate at will be visit will be bit board and bit motorcycle or bus. Activities to do the first day they will enjoy the Caño Cristales, water of Caño Cristales and three we will have lush which is reserved as fiambre. It is kind that because it is run with banana leaf, the heat it a delicious flower. The Escondai will enjoy the different place where the Phyllis displays with color. The three-day will visit the pylons where the Macarenas will shine with their green color and the black toe that followed photographed. The fourth day where we enjoy its beautiful landscape and the will be able take the pictures. In Caño Cristales, it is forbidden to come, so be sure have to stay in La Macarena, and one of the best options is La Manigua Lodge, which offer accommodation with a restaurant terrace a 24-hour reception. It is or 9 kilometers from Caño Cristales and mm, three 3 kilometers for the airport. In Caño Cristales, it is forbidden to come, so visit have the stay in La Macarena, and one of the best option is La Manigua Lodge. It offers the tours package and a cost of 1 million pesos, which covers ticket, accommodation, and transportation on the tour, and you can both with 300 pesos. You can both 300,000 pesos. Thank you.